Oh hi, I'm Jim. Retired old timer. Taking it easy, one day at a time. Well, you might hear some noise in the background. We got a guy on a tractor mowing the grass in the park right beside us, but so hopefully bear with me as he's making a little bit of noise in the background, but that's okay. Well, I figured it's about time I replaced the in-cabin air filter in the car here in the Equinox. This is a 2014 Equinox, and one of the things you should be doing on a regular basis is the in-cabin air filter. So thanks for joining me. That's next. So I already bought the filter. So the filter goes underneath where the glove box is, over on the passenger side. So let's join me as we go in there and replace this filter. The Fram filter is number CF11819, and that's what we're replacing it with. Okay, first of all, we're going to open the glove box. Fairly simple. I don't think we need any tools at all. There's a little tab here. We'll just press up on it. We'll lift up on the glove box a little bit and lift up on the tab, and then this will drop right down, and then this just clips right off. Clips right off. Now you can see inside where the filter is. And now the filter is just in behind, so you just got to lift up these two tabs here. Lift this up, and you'll see the filter sitting here. Okay, let's see, how bad is it? It's already looking like it's pretty dirty already. Oh wow, yeah, it's dirty. You know, we're overdue for replacing this filter. I'm not going to be able to even clean this. So let me reach out and grab the other filter. There's the clean filter. Check to see the airflow. So let's just go ahead and put the filter in there and put it in. I guess it don't matter which way it goes in. So let's just get that in there. You know, you replace this in-cabin air filter, even your air conditioning will work better. You have to push it straight in for it to go in. Okay, just about all the way. There we go. It's in there. Close the door. And now put the glove box back in. It just clips onto these tabs here. It should just clip back down. There, it's in place. Close it up. Filter replaced. Okay. Well, the other thing I should talk about is the engine air filter. Let's go take a look at it. Let's check it out to see if it has to be replaced. I don't have a replacement right now, but we should go check it anyway, see where it's at. Okay, I guess to go in there we're going to have to lift the hood. Well, the air filter on this thing is right here. So we are going to have to go get a screwdriver to access it. So I'll go get a screwdriver. I'm going to remove this just to be on the safe side. Just lift up this tab, press down, and it should slip right off. There we go. I'll just get that out of the way. Now I'm going to remove the two screws on the back side. Loosen them up. Don't have to really remove them. Well, then again, maybe I will, because I don't want to lose them. So I'm going to go get a pair of needle nose pliers to help me move them. One screw, go off to the side. Another one on the back side here. There's the other one. And then these two. And I'm going to have to remove the hose. Loosen that up. There we go. Now we lift that up and we'll be able to access the air cleaner. Now we can see that actually it has been replaced not that long ago, and it is fairly clean. So for now we don't have to change the air filter. So putting it back together is just in reverse procedure. Of course, things always want to get in the way and make it hard for you to do that, but yeah, just move that right out of the way. That should have done that right in the first place. Okay, there, hose back on, tighten that up. And you've probably seen some of my previous videos, and I'll put a link to my previous ones where I actually went in there and replaced some valves with code 0011 and 012, I think it was. Okay. And screws back in. Trying to make sure I don't lose them. I guess I better use a needle nose to put that down in the right place. And the other one. Tighten them up. Attach the wire back, clip down, run this back over, and that's it. In-cabin air filter replaced. This cabin, this air filter, engine air filter, is still clean, so we don't have to replace it. Okay, and as far as the oil goes, I always get them done at a service station. Actually, I go to a Chev dealer and get that oil change done because I don't want to deal with getting rid of the oil, and that's usually the easiest way. So we're done here. You can watch my previous videos that I did, YouTube videos that I did repairing other parts of this Equinox. I'll put links up on both sides. Yeah. So don't forget to comment, give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next the next video that I'm doing. I'm Jim, Retired Oldtimers, taking it easy, one day at a time, and God bless.